Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this newly video, I will show you how to donate a car in charity to California. So, if you don't watching my old video in which I will show you all the requirements and this video is very informative and helpful for you if you donate the car. So, how to donate a car? This is the requirements that you can use and donate the car within 15 days. Okay, so let's start. First, scroll down and or donate, click on donate now. And third step, if you donate your car manually, so click call on this number. So I can donate the video car automatically within 24 hours. Scroll down, visit this site and scroll down and click on car truck. If you donate your car, motorcycle, boat, RV, other, so I donate the car. Click on car truck and click on next. Put your username. I cannot donate the car and I put manually any username. Okay, let uh, put your number. Okay, next you put your email address and click on no. Let's click on next and put your address. Select the state, California. Pickup address, zip code, put the zip code. Your all address address is correctly putting. So pick up the city, California, because California you donate the car in California. So click on next, click on no and next. Next, put the year and put any model, put your car model. Okay, and color and millis. Click on next and click on no. Enter the VIN and click on complete donation. So some loading and your donation is complete. Within 24 hours the site owner can contact with you and pick up your car easily. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.